Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are building an iOS app and want your app icon to look perfect for iOS 18, you are in the right place. Today I am going to walk you through the entire process of designing an iOS 18 app icon. We will grab Apple's official sketch template, modify it to it your branding, and then show you how to export it and use it in your app. And don't worry, if you don't have Sketch installed yet, I will show you how to download and set it up for free. Let's get started. Okay, first thing first, let's download Sketch from App Store. Open App Store and search for Sketch. And I have already downloaded, that's why it is showing open, but you will get the get button. Click on get button and it will install. Alright, now that Sketch is installed, let's set up a free account. When you first open Sketch, you will ask to sign in. Don't worry, just open your favorite browser and search for sketch.com. After you will get this window, click on get started for free. Don't allow because we have already downloaded Sketch from App Store. Cancel and click on sign up in your browser and write your first name, email address and create your password. After this, click on these two check and sign up and your account will be create. After create your account, click on in your Sketch app, click on sign in and write your credential. Write your email address and password, whatever you have used to create a account. here whatever you have written, write it here and click on sign in and you will get this window. Okay, for now I am closing this Sketch app, and once you are signed in, Sketch ready to go. Now let's move on to the Apple's design resource website. Okay, let's open again browser and search for Apple's design resources. Here you will find everything you need, including the iOS app icon templates. Scroll down and look for the Scratch template, specifically for app icons. And this one, we want this one. Click on Sketch and it will download it. This template is designed with all of Apple's icon guidelines already built in, so no need to worry about sizes, corner radius or other details. And open your Finder and go to downloads and you will get this .dmg file, and I have already downloaded it. Let's delete it and double click on it and agree it. After that you will get this folder and this one and drag it in your Finder window wherever you want. After this, open it and you will get this template for a sketch. Okay, now double click on this template and it will automatically open in your sketch app. After that, I am going to little bit modify all these three icons. Let's modify it. To modify it, take this one and delete it, and I'm going to use I'm just little bit modifying it, rounded rectangle, and put it here. Take this to center and change color it for white. That's it. Now let's modify these two also, and select this one and take this out here, and select all this and ungroup it. After ungroup, let's take this one and take and copy this one also. To copy, click on option key and drag it here. After that, let's paste this style to this one. Click on right click on this one and copy fill, and click on this one and right click on it and paste fill this one. Now let's select this one and subtract it. After subtraction, let's delete it and take this one again and put it here, and let's again group these. After grouping, put it back it here to center. Same way for this also. Take this one, ungroup it, and take this part, and again take this one also, and copy style from this and paste it here. After pasting this one, let's again subtract it and take this one and put it here. I think it is not getting style. Yep. So again copy this one and select this one, move only border. Okay, now put it here and group these again, and take this one and put it back to this here, and that's it. We have built our own Lego logo. Now click on file and export it, and click on this one slices. Again click on export and choose your location whenever you want to save it, and I'm going to save here. Create new folder, name them, and export all these. You will get this pop-up 48 files successfully exported. Now I'm closing this sketch app, and now use these icons. Let's open Xcode ID and create a new project. Click on iOS app, click on next, write down demo app, demo all these things I'm remaining as it is. Use Shift I and Shift, choose this one, none and none. After all this, click on next. Choose your favorite location. I am going to store it on desktop. Create. After creating this project, now let's use our icons. What we have make made, what we have made. Let's use our icon. What we have made. Click on demo app and no. Click on asset. Click on app icon, and you will get these three. Any appearances dark and tinted. Okay, now open Finder and go to location where we have stored our icons and export it inside link store folder. Okay, let's open this demo folder. After open this, let's make it as a list. Now I am going to select for any appearances, select this one, light. For any appearances, click on this 1024x1024.png and drag it here. After that, select for dark. Dark is here, this one. Select this one and put it here. After that, tinted this one, select and drag it here. After that, we have successfully placed our app icon. Now let's build our project and run it. It is installing. It will take a little bit time. Launching. Okay, I am giving my password. This one our app. Now I am going to see this one. I have got my app icon, and if you want to see tinted and dark also, then click and click on edit, customize, and light already showing. Let's click on dark, and this one showing already change our app icon. Now click on automatic, this one showing. Now click on tinted, it is showing this one. You can modify it also. That's how you design a stunning app icon for iOS 18 using Sketch. From downloading Sketch and signing up for a free account to modifying template and exporting your icon, it's all pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more iOS app design and development tools and tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. I had love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.